looking at my new books and noticed there is multiplication. So what is multiplication? Let's say it's your birthday and you have 10 children in your class and you have to give 2 toffees to each of them. How many toffees do you need? One way to figure out is do plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. That is so boring and slow. Let me teach you an easy way to do it. Now let's start with basics. What is multiplication? Multiplication is an easy and quick way to add the same number over and over again. If you can add, you can quickly learn multiplication. Now let's see how. Imagine I have 2 types of toffees. And I want both, and my mama also want one, and my papa. So I have made 3 groups of 2 toffees each. Either I could write 2 plus 2 plus 2, or in short 3 into 2. So what is 3 into 2 means? It means I will add 2 toffees 3 times. That's multiplication, when you have to add same number many times. Now let's see how to solve it. The quickest way to find out multiplication's answers is to learn tables. For example, I already know 3 into 2 is 6. So then we need 6 toffees. If you do not know table as for now, don't worry. I will teach you an easy way to do it. If you want to do 3 into 2, that means 3 groups of 2 quantities. Let's draw them. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 6 toffees. 6 is our answer. Now let's pick another problem. 5 into 2. Let's draw them. 1 group, 2 group, 3 group, 4 group, 5 group. Now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is our answer. Now it is quiz time. Can you do this for me? 2 into 2? Yes, you're right. The answer is 4. Let me show you. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you learned, multiplication is very easy but powerful to add the same number n times. Do ask your parents about tables and how to learn them. Make multiplication very fun. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my videos.